Nhất xa sẽ hơi chính em hay đem cái chính nhạc.
Sangeh, boleh phim ngay se.
Pak bahaya pun mungkin. Neriti bros chính em nginap sunyo kitang itek pop. Berhikam bahaju ni.
Ki khubor ka bate si TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka Business Advisory Committee jongga ying Dorbar Thawan ke Jela. Bala khli do lampang u Thomas A Sangma. Ka bala syong jialang kerki. Kala shimya karaban pinsangya no Sngi. Menta ka sitho dieng ka arpau terik urempang arjar arpun riu. Ya ka Dorbar Mang Tyngka jongga ying Dorbar Thawan. Kum ka dak ka Jingburom ya ka Jingkhlad no u MP ka Shillong. U Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon. Ha ka jingkran bat kilat pathai kubor u lampang ula pentep ba ya ki jingtep ki babania on sa pentep biang hakini ki Sngi ban sawan.
To take a decision on the sudden demise of our number one Shillong Parliamentary constituency member of Parliament who passed away last night, Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon, and the BAC had received the consent of the government since it was the day for scheduled for having the budget presentation today. So we had to seek the consent of the government, and the government has given us consent to adjourn the house for the day, for today. And the revised calendar is being prepared, and which will be presented on Monday with the sense of the house. Then I can announce you the exact calendar of the revised calendar of the house. Most probably it will be carried over to the next day, which is coming Monday. Yes, there will be an obituary reference in the house today, after which the house will be adjourned for the day in honor and respect of the departed soul.
Thank you, sir. Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ।
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियरबॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ।
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है। Let's go guys, party time.